Welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Being Business, and today we will be doing the fundamental analysis of one of the most popular brands in the whole world and one of the brand which is known worldwide and is known for its beverages, and it is none other than Coca-Cola. So today we will be doing the fundamental analysis of the Coca-Cola company. And before we discontinue this video, let me tell you that if you think that you are not an American and you cannot invest in the Coca-Cola company, so let me tell you, today I will tell you the way in which you can invest in Coca-Cola company, including that you are not an American. So do not skip this video and watch till end, and please like, share and comment and subscribe our channel. And you can also follow us on our Instagram handle Being Business 2021. I repeat, Being Business 2021. So here we go. So first of all, the Coca-Cola company is an American multinational beverage corporation incorporated under Delaware's General Corporation Law and headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. The Coca-Cola company has interests in the manufacturing, retailing and marketing of non-alcoholic beverage and syrups. The CEO of company is James Quincey. The founder was Asa Griggs Candler. It was founded in 29 January 1892 in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. So the number of employees are 80,300 as per 2020. The revenue was just awesome. It was 3,727 crores USD. And the subsidiaries, if we talk about the subsidiaries of Coca-Cola, then they are Costa Coffee, Minute Maid, Super Drink. So first of all, when I say that it is the most popular company, if we talk about beverages, its subsidiaries are Costa Coffee, Super Drink. So let me tell you, the Coca-Cola also produces milk. It also, first of all, it is it is known for its soft drink. It also has the subsidiary Costa Coffee, which is known for its coffee. So this is the reason that it covers all the types of beverages, most of the types of beverages that are most famous in the world, and that's why it is the top leading company in its area. So if we talk about quarterly financials of Coca-Cola, then in April 2021 the revenue was 902 crores and it went up 4.87%. The operating income was 290.6 crore and it went up by 10.7%. The cost of revenue was 350.5 crores and it went up by 3.98%. The cash on hand was 848.4 crore and it went down by 37.44%, a major downfall. Net change in cash was 170.1 crore and it went down by 76.47%. Net profit margin also went down by 22.85% and it was 24.89%. And the net income was 224.5 crore and it went down by 19.1%. Diluted earning per share was 0.52 and it went down by 18.75%. So if we talk about the December quarterly financial results, then the revenue went down by 5.04% and it was 861.1 crores. The net income was 145.6 crores and it went down by 28.7%. Diluted EPS was 0.33 and it went down by 29.79%. The operating income was good. It was 245.9% and it went up by 7.15%. Cash on hand was 679.5 crore and it went up by 4.86%. Cost of revenue was 357.8 crore and it went up by 0.34%. So first of all, you can like our video for the efforts we made to find the quarterly financials of the Coca-Cola company. So why I am discussing about the history of the Coca-Cola company, the quarterly financials of the Coca-Cola company, the revenues, the number of employees? Because see, when we do the fundamental analysis of the company, one thing that we should know is the business model of the company. What are the future plans of the company? What does the promoter and the investor thinks about the company? And also first of all, what are the annual reports of the company? So first of all, let me tell you, the king of investors, yes, Warren Buffett has said that the best investment he made in his life was Coca-Cola company. So you can imagine that why Coca-Cola is such a big company, why you should invest in it to become rich. So first of all, the results were not so good. So let me tell you the reason of the results. So the Coca-Cola announced that the company's revenue declined in quarter 2 was primarily driven by the pressure in away from home channels, which represent approximately half of the company's revenues. However, volumes improved over the quarter as lockdown ceases, and this recovery is expected to continue in the coming months. So it is the impact of the lockdown due to which this stock has went down. But let me tell you that this stock in February 2020, it was at the price of $60. It is now, if we talk about today, 25th May, it is now trading at 54.46 USD. That is $6 less from then. So it's a good chance to get an entry in this stock. So the highest price it attained was $60. It is now at 54. So there's a margin of $6. So this can be a profit. So I am telling you to please invest in this company. This is the one of the most reliable company and one of the most most trusted, reliable, and one of the best companies you can invest in to get huge returns. It is one of the leading, not one of the, it is the leading company in the beverages field. So first of all, let me tell you that how all of you can invest in Coca-Cola company if you are not a citizen of America. So you can invest it by investing in mutual funds. For example, a citizen of India can also invest in America by investing a money in any mutual fund company which actually invest in Coca-Cola. So there's an indirect connection between the Coca-Cola company and that investor. So, and the second is, there are many trading apps available which actually allow you to buy international stocks such as Coca-Cola for a person who is not an American. So there are two ways in which you can invest in Coca-Cola if you are not an American. So now if we talk about the future plans of Coca-Cola, so now let me tell you that. So the future plan of Coca-Cola company, as per the statement given by the company in August 2020, was the Coca-Cola company strategic steps is to recognize and better enable the Coca-Cola system to pursue its beverages for life strategy with a portfolio of drinks that are positioned to capture growth in a fast changing marketplace. So this is the future plan of the Coca-Cola company. And if we talk about the strategic plan, it is that they will focus on choice, convenience of the consumer, and Coca-Cola is involving its business strategy to become a total beverage company by giving people more of the drinks they want, including low and no sugar options across a wide array of categories, in more packages sold in more locations. So first of all, Coca-Cola is selling their products in moreover 200 countries. And let me tell you, according to my estimation, Mexico people actually just love Coca-Cola. They just love Coca-Cola. So if we talk about the goal of Coca-Cola, so the company says that their vision is to craft the brands and choice of drinks that people love to refresh them in body and spirit, and done in ways that create a more sustainable business and better shared future that makes a difference in people's lives and communities and our planet. So if we talk about the slogan of Coca-Cola in 2020, the slogan was taste the feeling. See, why I'm talking about these things? See, first of all, when we do the fundamental analysis, three things are most important: the business model of the company, the future plans of the companies, and the advertisements of the company. Why advertisement? See, by the advertisement we actually think, see, what is the thinking of the company's members, what they think about the company, and what new things are coming in this company which can actually better their net worth, which can actually grow their capital, and which can actually give profit to investors like you who are watching the video. So the last and the most important question: is Coca-Cola a growing company? Should we invest in it? So the answer is yes. Coca-Cola has grown EPS, that is earning per share, by 22% per year compound in the last 3 years. As a general rule, they had said that if a company can keep up that sort of growth, shareholders will be smiling. It's of course that EPS grown by 22% per year for 3 years regularly. So of course the investors will be smiling. So it's a very good stock for you all to invest. For all the investors, it's a very reliable company, very popular, spread worldwide. So please invest in it. And so I here end my video. So please like, share and comment, and also you can subscribe my channel, and also you can follow us on Instagram handle, and our Instagram handle is Being Business 2021. I repeat, Being Business 2021. So thank you. Thanks for watching.